Hey there, fellow shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for online shopping. Today, we're diving into how to use a Visa gift card on eBay in 2025. With eBay constantly updating its platform, using a gift card has never been easier, but we'll walk you through it step by step to make sure you don't hit any snags. Let's get started. First things first, before you even log into eBay, double-check your Visa gift card. Make sure it's activated and has a balance. Most cards let you do this online or by calling the number on the back. This is crucial because nothing's worse than getting to checkout and realizing you're out of funds. Now, head over to eBay's website or app. Log into your account, or create one if you're new. That's super quick. Once you're in, start browsing and add items to your cart just like you normally would. When you're ready to check out, select Pay with Credit or Debit Card as your payment method. Here's the key part. Enter your Visa gift card details just like you would for any credit card. That includes the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code on the back. eBay should treat it as a standard Visa card, but keep in mind that in 2025, some platforms might require additional verification for security, like a zip code if your card has one associated. If everything goes smoothly, confirm your purchase, and you're done. But what if you run into issues? Sometimes, gift cards might not work if they're not registered or if there's a mismatch in billing info. A quick tip. Try using the gift card as the primary payment and see if eBay allows splitting payments. Also, watch out for any expiration dates on your card itself. Wrapping this up, using a Visa gift card on eBay in 2025 is a breeze once you know the ropes. It's a fantastic way to stretch your budget or use up that holiday gift. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Happy shopping, everyone! See you in the next video.